Infrastructure is already developed for tourism, so the state should connect hotels, airports and ports through waterways. It should develop these new things so that it can be a new marine hub, Union Minister for Transport Nitin Gadkari said on Sunday. Gadkari also said that creating more employment potential in the state was a challenge before the state government.
The Union Minister was speaking during the laying of the foundation stone of a common facility centre for the Konkan Maritime Cluster at the Verna Industrial Estate. The foundation stone was laid by the Chief Minister Pramod Sawant. Industries Minister Vishwajit Rane and Union Minister of State for Shipping Mansukh Mandavia made a virtual present. Chief Minister Pramod Sawant said that it's a proud moment for Goa as the state has got its first maritime cluster in India.
Future development of all this sector, either it is related with the fishing, either it is related with the shipping, either it is related with the ro-packs, at the same time with the using of cruise, using of fast motor boats. It is the time for Goa to make a manufacturing hub for all this type of new innovations and new research in Goa of international standards. And the most important thing, which is a challenge with Pramodji and Vishwajitji, that how they are going to create more employment potential in Goa. Already we have now good infrastructure, flyovers, bridges, everything. We have got a good developed port. Tourism is already our main strength. We are developing all type of facility in Goa for tourism. And if we can connect water transport, by which we can connect hotels from airports and ports to the hotels, it can be really a great thing for Goa. I will request you for development of all these new things, new technology, new innovation, where Goa can be a growth center for marine hub.
दर दसऱ्याक आमी सीमोल्लंघन करता आणि सीमोल्लंघन करताना आयच्या ह्या दिसा आमी म्हणटले की इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टरात सगळ्यात व्हडलें सीमोल्लंघन जर आसत जाल्यार विच इज द फावंडेशन स्टोन ऑफ द कोकण मरीटायम क्लस्टर हे आमी केल्लें आसा हे निश्चितच म्हाका दिसता सगळ्या खातीर व्हड गजाल आसा. हे पुराय भारतांतलो एकमेव कोकण मरीटायम क्लस्टर हो आमच्या स्टेटीत जाता हे खरोखरूच आमचें भाग्य आसा आनी शिपिंग इंडस्ट्रीत हे आनी एक मोठें पावल आसा जेणे करून म्हणजे शिपिंग इंडस्ट्री आतापर्यंत फक्त आमी बार्जीस बांदताले धाकल्यो बोटी बांदताले एखादी दुसरी बोट जी आसा ही बिगर किंवा एक्सपोर्ट जाताली असोच प्रायवेटूय प्लेयर्स आसात. म्हाका दिसता हे सांगता आसतना म्हणजे कितल्योश्योच बोटी ज्यो आसात ताराराणी which is formed in which is manufactured in the Goa. ह्या मरीन क्लस्टरा उपरांत गोंयांतली शिपिंग इंडस्ट्री जे आनीकूय कितलेशाच मोठ्या प्रमाणात शिप्स आणि वेरियस पार्ट्स will export from the state of Goa.
लेके मैरीटाइम क्लस्टर बनाने के लिए वो आगे आए. सागरमाला योजना में मैरीटाइम क्लस्टर के संदर्भ में विचार किया गया था, 2-3 लोकेशन भी आइडेंटिफाई किया गया था, लेकिन गोवा गवर्नमेंट ने इनिशिएटिव लिया. इसलिए मैं फिर से एक बार प्रमोद जी, उसकी सरकार और सभी को अभिनंदन देता हूँ. हम सिर्फ बिल्डिंग में क्यों आगे नहीं बढ़ पा रहे हैं? 2 विषय है. एक, इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में हम कॉम्पिटिटिव नहीं है. दूसरा, डोमेस्टिक डिमांड नहीं है. डोमेस्टिक डिमांड बढ़े और इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में हम कॉम्पिटिटिव कैसे बने, उसके लिए मैरीटाइम क्लस्टर बहुत आवश्यक है.
When you look at the bridges that are coming up, you see the roads that are coming up. This type of roads, infrastructure, backbone infrastructure building, which indirectly will help industry, was never thought of in the past. It's only because of his leadership and his contribution to the state of Goa and to our Chief Minister and the support to the Chief Minister, due to which we are in a better position today to create an infrastructure that will last us for more than 50 years in future, with this type of heavy duty infrastructure that is being built by creating 4-lane roads, expressway connecting north to south. This never, all of us in Goa never dreamt of, and this is very important for industry to have a good road backbone infrastructure in place.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Verna.